Hi everyone, and welcome again to another podcast about the prayers of the Rosary in Scottish Gaelic. Today we're on the penultimate line, and it's the part which in English says, "Pray for us sinners." So after this line we only have one more, and then we'll have the complete Hail Mary. So let's go over these words individually first of all. The words look like this: guidh, uair, ar, son, neesh, na, peacaich. But when we join them together, they sound a little bit different, because when vowels meet, sometimes an extra Y sound is created. For example, in the first two words, guidh and uair, when we try to put them together, guair, guair, automatically it sounds like go year, guair, doesn't it? Guair. So when you say it fast, that an extra Y sound is created. And it has to be that way, because the Rosary can't be said, Hail Mary, full of grace. So that's why it doesn't look like the way it's written. It's not that Gaelic is strangely written, it's just that it has a lot of vowel sounds, and when they join, there's another Y is sometimes created, and it's exactly the same in English. Now on this line, it's the same with son and neesh, because when two N's come together, it becomes sonye with a nye sound. A Y sound comes in at the end. Sonye, sonye. So when you're saying this, if you're saying the words separately, it's going to sound like uair ar son neesh na peacaich. But that's not the way we say the Rosary. It becomes guair, 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 guair. And if you say it fast enough, it sounds like guair, guair, depending on who's saying it. Guair ar sonne na peacaich. So it's important just to keep that in mind. Right, let's go over what we know so far. We're going to say this 10 times, as we have done in the past, and I want you to practice with me. Okay, are you ready? Fàilte gutavura how lange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut. Is beannaichte measg na mana, agus beannaichte toradh bhronn Iosa. Anavura Mhathair uair ar sonne na peacaich. And we've got one line left to do, which we'll be doing in our next podcast to make the thing complete. Let's continue. Fàilte gutavura how lange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut. Is beannaichte measg na mana, agus beannaichte toradh bhronn Iosa. Anavura Mhathair uair ar sonne na peacaich. Guair, guair. Fàilte gutavura how lange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut. Is beannaichte measg na mana, agus beannaichte toradh bhronn Iosa. Bhronn, Iosa, bhronn. Anavura Mhathair uair ar son neesh na peacaich. Let me just say that again. So, uair ar sonne na peacaich, when we join the words up. Fàilte gutavura how lange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut. Is beannaichte measg na mana, agus beannaichte toradh bhronn Iosa. Anavura Mhathair uair ar sonne na peacaich. Okay, so when we're saying uair, it sounds just like uair. Let's continue. Fàilte go a bhuala howlange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut as beannaichte measg agus beannaichte toradh de bhronn Iosa. And a bhuala Mhathair guidh ar sonne na peacaich. Fàilte go a bhuala howlange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut as beannaichte measg agus beannaichte toradh de bhronn Iosa. And a bhora Mhathair guidh ar sonne na peacaich. So uair. Fàilte go a bhora howlange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut as beannaichte measg agus beannaichte toradh de bhronn Iosa. And a bhora Mhathair guidh ar sonne na peacaich. Fàilte go a bhuala howlange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut as beannaichte measg agus beannaichte toradh de bhronn Iosa. And a bhora Mhathair guidh ar sonne na peacaich. Fàilte go a bhora howlange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut as beannaichte measg agus beannaichte toradh de bhronn Iosa. And a bhuala Mhathair guidh ar sonne na peacaich. And the last one. Fàilte go a bhuala howlange na gràsan han Tighearna maille riut as beannaichte measg agus beannaichte toradh de bhronn Iosa. And a bhora Mhathair guidh ar sonne na peacaich. And there we are. So the next one will be our last one of the Hail Mary, so we can move on to the other prayers. But don't worry, we'll be continuing to recite the Hail Mary because we're going to build up the Rosary more and more in Scottish Gaelic every time we meet. All right, so there we are. That's it for today. See you. Bye.